Hello, good morning students. Children, we are going to talk about aquatic plants. As we discussed in the earlier module that plants that grow in water and they live in water, they are called aquatic plants, and there are three categories or three types of aquatic plants, that are floating plants, fixed plants and underwater plants. So water plants, I will just show you, or aquatic plants. I hope you can see it. You can see the types of water plants that grow in water, and their stem, they stay under the water. The stem is not outside like terrestrial plants, but their stem is under the water. Some water plants have very big floating leaves, like lotus plant. You have seen the leaves are very big and they float in the water. Then you have, this is duckweed plants, that is your floating plants, and this is underwater plant like hydrilla. It is completely under the water. Okay, so these are the three types of aquatic plants which we are going to study one after another. Children, coming to the floating plants, the first category of plants, floating plants. Now floating, by the name you can understand that it floats in the water. And what floats in the water? If it is something which is light, take a bucket of water and you put a piece of paper on it, in it, and you take one nail. You understand by nail, which is made of iron, which is used for fixing something in the wall. You drop both of them. Now what will happen? You will see the paper will float for some time, then it will become wet and soggy and it will disappear in the water. But the iron, that pin you have, nail you have dropped in the bucket, it will go down because it is heavy, but paper is light. So things which are light, they float in the water. So floating plants, you can understand that if these plants are light and they are small, that's why they float in the water. So floating plants, they are light and they are spongy. Their leaves are the spongy one, because they store the water and float on the surface of the water. So this is your duckweed plants, and this is water hyacinth. Okay, water hyacinth. I think you all have seen these type of plants growing in the ponds. You must have seen by any water bodies, by the side of the bank, you must have seen this. Okay, duckweed, as you know, understand by the word duckweed, that means the ducks. It's a place where ducks, they generally live, and they are protected from the sun. This is water hyacinth. Okay, and this is your, again, this type of duck. You can see a duck is there, so that the ducks are, they live generally near that place. So these floating plants, these plants float because they are either light or small in size. Because they are light and small in size, they float. So especially you have these three types of plant, that is duckweed, then water lettuce and the water hyacinth. Okay. So these are the three main types of floating plants you get. Are some of such plants. These plants protect smaller water animals from the heat of the sun, like the tadpoles or the ducks which live in water. They are protected because the leaves are there, so they rest by the side or underneath, and they are protected from the heat of the sun, because heat of the sun is everywhere. So these smaller water animals, they are protected from the heat of the sun by these type of plants as they float in the water. So as I have shown you that, like ducks, you can see they are living in these places. Even the tadpoles, they live in water, and other smaller animals, they are protected. So their leaves are light and spongy, and this plants itself is very light and small, and so they float in the water. So this is the first category of aquatic plant. Thank you, children.